Very good morning, my dear students of Growing Soul Kids Gurukul. My lovely students, so it's time for your study now. Get ready with your pencil and notebook. Class 3rd, Subject EVS, Lesson 1 are body parts.
Hello to you all, my dear third class students. A very good morning to you. So welcome to your EVS class. So my dear children, how are you today? Good. Okay, that's really great. And as you all know that this is Irene Clive and I am your EVS teacher, right? Yes. So my dear children, as you already know that we have completed many of the topics in previous classes, right? Yes. So now from today onwards, we will be going to start with our syllabus, right? Starting from the very first chapter, right students? Yes. So are you all excited for your new chapter? Good. So first of all, take out your notebook and pencil fast. Great. So let's start our new topic, right students? Okay. So my dear children, do you know that there are many organs in our body and each of these parts has a special function to perform, right? And our body can do many things, right students? Yes. And do you know that we can see many of these parts from outside? But some are inside our body and they cannot be seen from outside, right? Yes. So my dear children, can you tell me the topic? What is the topic? Yes, topic is our body parts. So all of you write down. Chapter 1, topic, our body parts. Right students? Yes. So my dear children, do you know about external body parts? Tell me. External body parts. Do you know that? Yes. The body parts that we can see from outside are called external body parts. Right students? Understood? Okay. So, can you tell me the examples? Yes, like our hands, arms, legs, feet, mouth, shoulders and neck are some examples of external body parts. Right students? So, let us know about some of them. Right? Yes. So, my dear children, do you know about arms and hands? How they helps us? They helps us to eat, paint, write, hold and lift the things. Right? Yes. And what about legs and feet? Yes, they helps us to move from one place to another place. And they helps us to walk, run, jump, climb and kick. Right students? Yes. So my dear children, do you know about sense organs? Can you tell me? Sense organs. So can you tell me what are the sense organs? Yes. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. There are 5 sense organs, right? Yes. And do you know that eyes helps us to see, right? And nose helps us to, yes, smell. And what about ear? Yes, ear helps us to hear. Right students? Yes. And what about tongue? Yes, tongue helps us to taste. Right? Yes. And do you know the 4 common taste of tongue? Yes, that's our sweet, sour, bitter and salty. Right, students? Yes. And what about skin? Yes, skin helps us to feel and touch. Right, students? Yes. So, my dear children, have you understood? Great. So, write down the next one. That is internal body parts. Right, students? Yes. And this is also very easy. Internal body parts. So, my dear children, these are the organs which we cannot see. Right? Yes. And they are called internal organs. Yes, internal organs like heart, lungs, brain and stomach. Right? Yes. So let us know about these internal organs step by step. Right? Yes. So the first is heart. So my dear children, do you know about heart? Yes, it pumps blood to all parts of our body. Right? Yes. And do you know about lungs? Yes, there are 2 lungs present inside our chest. And the main function of the lungs is the process of gaseous exchange, which is also called breathing. Right? Yes. So, let us also know about our brain. Right? Yes. And as you already know that our brain lies inside our head. Yes. And it is covered by a hard bony structure called the skull. Right? And it controls the functions of all other body parts. Right? And do you know about stomach? Yes, our stomach is a muscular bag-like structure. And the main function of the stomach is to break down and digest the food that we eat. Right, students? Yes. So, let me tell you some more internal organs. Right? Yes. And that's our kidney, small intestine, liver, large intestine. Right? Yes. And my dear children, let me also tell you about people with special needs. My dear students, do you know that there are many people in this world who cannot see, speak, hear or walk properly? Right? And do you know people who cannot see, read using the Braille script? They use a Braille writer for writing. Right, students? Yes. And do you know people who cannot hear or speak properly, they communicate through sign language. Right, students? And what about people who cannot walk properly? They use crutches and wheelchairs. Right, students? Yes. And my dear students, do you know that when people grow old, they face a number of problems related to health, fitness and soundness of mind. Right? Yes. So, we must listen to them carefully with patience. Right? Yes. And we care for them to get a stress-free and secure life. Right, students? Yes, and this is very important. And my dear students, do you know about orphans? Who are orphans? Yes, orphans are the children who do not have their parents, and they live in special homes called orphanage. Right? Yes. So my dear children, have you understood this chapter? Alright. So we will complete our exercise part in our next video of this chapter. Right, students? Yes. So till then, I am giving a few questions to you. Try to complete the answers of that questions. Right? Yes. So write down. Yes. First is, how can you help your grandparents? Right? Yes. And next is, who are orphans? Right? So, have you written the questions? Good. So, I will meet you in your next class. Till then, all of you take care and stay blessed. Right? Bye-bye.
So, dear students, now complete your homework. Write the answers of the given questions. Okay, dear students. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you.